Okay, this assembly is off of a Bad Boy lawnmower, and it's got a little micro switch on there. This is the brake handle micro switch, and that's the part number. It's kind of a little pricey, and this micro switch, I'm not sure how often it goes bad. This connector here, it's not going to go bad. So my goal is to get the part number for this guy instead of spending $30+ on this whole assembly. You can buy a new switch here, micro switch, and potentially fix your issue if you got a bad micro switch. Okay, so this is the actual micro switch. And let's see here. This is the other side of the switch. And then underneath the lever, it's like DONG. I think it's NAN. So that's the manufacturer. And then the lever is on the switch side. And it looks like you can put a lever on this side, or the lever could go on the other side. So anyway, maybe that's useful information to somebody that is looking to replace this little micro switch. What I'm going to do is find the part number, and I'll put it in my video descriptions and stuff. Anyway, hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe.